what is the retirement program?
Retirement program is the QRP program where you have to be over 45. It doesn't mean you are retired. You can actually work, but you have to be your own boss and create jobs. A lot of benefits come with it. Your first year, you can bring in everything duty-free, whether it's your car, your boat, your plane, all your necessities for your home or condo that you'll end up buying, or even your lot where you build a house. So it's a very good program. The residency program is also a very good program. I am a resident of both countries, the United States and Belize. It's one of the few countries that allows dual residency. One of the most significant parts of Belize is that it's English speaking. Everything's in English. Everyone down there speaks English. The real estate contracts are in English. Shadow the rules of the United States and Canada. One of the few countries where you get a deed, title, and physical ownership. And that's very, very important when you're buying your second home, your rental property, or even a lot where you'll eventually build a home or a condo down the road.